getting into the new year with a lot of peace. But the signals are coming. I'm seeing like the people want to spoil the peace of this country. And I want to start with saying the statement which Murathe is giving. We don't know his presenting who. Although he's giving the statement when he's drunk, totally drunk, one thing we want to do the research. Because yesterday he was on Karao where there was a funeral and where there was majority of Kikuyus, about 10,000 Kikuyus. He did not talk about what he was talking about. But when he went in Nyanza, I don't know which marijuana he's using when he goes in Western or when he goes to Nyanza. So we are doing the research to do hii bangi na kunywa ni bangi gani yakienda pande hiyo. And the reason of saying this is that we as Jubilee members, now we have reached somewhere. If people like Murathe, they are the one talking on behalf of the party. I want to say we are demanding election immediately. All of us, we are going to call all the members. Because when we voted the president, 80,000 votes, 80,000 million votes, we did not see Murathe, we did not vote for Murathe. We voted for the president and the deputy. We did not vote for Murathe. Murathe sold his seat 10 million, and everybody knows that. He sold the seat 10 million. Now, he has collected money to Chinese everywhere. Just the other day he was borrowing food everywhere. He had nothing to eat. Today, he has about 10 vehicles, new ones. Where did he get this money? The president, when he's talking the corruption, is he seeing the people who are saying that they are leading the Jubilee party, they are corruption. And this is what I want to tell the president. We elected you. We don't elect Murathe. We don't elect Tuju. These are the people. We give them opportunity to lead the party. But now, if they are the ones talking to spoil the peaceful country, we have now to demand that we want the election now. Immediately. So that we can identify 8 million people who voted for the president with the Jubilee. They must stop now to say that the election. And the leaders, they won. But we cannot let that 80,000 votes which voted for, 80,000 million votes which voted for president, it may be turned down by somebody taking bank. And I'm repeating, whenever you take bank, and I'm saying if you don't, sue me, we go in the hospital for you to be checked your status. Because we cannot be led by sick people. The other person is Atuli. Who is Atuli? People, workers here, they are suffering. They have been chased by their bosses, their companies to leave the union. You are just going around loitering. Even you are wealthy, you would like to know even you are told where you got. You are finished workers collecting money. We know you are wealthy. Naivasha, Mombasa, everywhere we know. Where did you get that wealth? You went around saying, round with the court, nani ataokoa Kenya, nani ataokoa Kenya. We know you are measuring to see whether you can be elected. You stood Buteri. You got nothing. First, Kenyans must know those people who are talking now about the party and all those things, they are failures. Atwoli is a failure. He could not even get a seat of MP. Later on, he went around and he said that now he is going to put lawyers together. Let me tell you, lawyers have democracy, the highest democracy in this country. Lawyers, they don't vote as a block even if you do what. It is not possible. And the system we are trying to bring, let me tell you, there is somebody called Wanjiku, and Wanjiku must talk. And also the president, when he is saying he doesn't want to hear Mambo ya 2022, who started 2022? It is the president. He is the one who was going around when we were doing the election, saying he is going for 10 years, Ruto is going for 10 years. Who started the issue of 2022? It is the president. Let me tell you the president. You are going to leave a very bad legacy in this country. And you are going to bring war in this country. Because you should stand and unite Kenyans. You should stand and disown Murathe. You should stand and talk about Jubilee. We know the people of handshake, now they have entered every ministry. Civil servants, now they have been threatened by the handshake everywhere. They are going for contract by force, threatening civil servants. They are going everywhere, destroying this country. I want to ask you as a president. Your father was there, he did not agree with those people. Moi was there, he did not agree with those people. Kibaki was there, was not agreeing with those people. My dear president, are you special from those old people who could not agree with those people up to now? And don't forget that your father started this problem of between Kikuyu and Luos. Now you have brought it again, the same person. President, we have given you vote 10 years. Please, let us go for Inange, we may look for a life, where we are going to go. We will not agree people to be threatened in the Rift Valley because of the confusion of Murathe. Kalenjin voted for you. 202, Kikuyu voted for you. Kalenjin voted for you as a bloc. 2013, Kalenjin voted for you. You are taken Hague with the Ruto. You came back and brought this country together. And from that time, we don't have any fight in Nakuru and the Rift Valley. 2017, Kalenjin voted for you as a bloc. When we were told to repeat, Deputy President led the campaign. And let me tell you the truth, there was no presidential campaign. It was deputy presidential campaign led by the Deputy President. We don't want Kikuyu to be seen like we are liars. We have a life to live with the other tribes. Now you are bringing us somebody, we don't know it's from where. And we know the end of the day. The issue of Raila wanted the end of the day, Kikuyu not to vote for the deputy. Then he will jump on the other side and say, Kikuyus are not honest. Let me tell you, it is few people who are not honest. Kikuyu people are honest. And the years I'm remaining is to talk the truth. Are waiting nothing else. And we want the election. And we are going to fight. We are ready to fight for the light of democracy. We are not supporting Ruto because he is a Kalenjin. We are supporting Ruto because he has proved himself to be a leader in this country.
That's true.
It's not because that he is a Kalenjin. Who was given that thinking that he will be a leader. Now we have seen that they are going, all of them, they are going Mombasa. We want to ask, if the president himself have joined ODM, please defect and go to ODM. If Raila have defect and go to the party you want. And don't threaten us with the party. And we are not going to live with Jubilee. Let me tell you that. Jubilee is ours. We sweated for it. We worked for it. And I urge my people in Rift Valley, please keep peace. Hii mambo ni ya mtu mrefu. Ndugu zangu ambao tunakaa Rift Valley na hao Waluya, Wajaluo na wengine wote. Sisi tunataka amani. Na hii njia Murathe anaenda sasa naye, tunataka tujue hii bangi anatumia. Kwa sababu bangi ya Central haimpelekagi namna hiyo. Hii bangi anakunywa akienda pandi hii. Ni ile ya kibuyu ama ni bangi gani inaongezwa na madawa? Na Murathe on Kenyans, kama mnataka tusaidie Murathe, tuchange pesa tupeleke hospitali. He will be admitted. Atawekwa kwa kitanda. Lakini shida yule atampeleka, ataweza shtakiwa na daktari. Kwa nini umekaa na mgonjwa kwa muda mrefu sana? Na ndio inafanya tuseme sisi tunataka uchaguzi sasa. We want election. Hii chama hapana ya mtu mmoja. And this is the problem with the parties ambaye zinakuwa owned by the people. Hii mambo yote inaletwa ya corruption, inasemekana corruption na nini mambo mingi. It is witch hunting. We know. Watu ya deputy wameanza kutafutwa na kuhangaishwa kila pahali. Hata sisi tunahangaishwa kwa sababu ya supporting the deputy. We are not supporting the deputy, we are supporting the truth. Ile Mwenyezi Mungu alijua tuliosumbuka hapa. Na mtu ametuweka hii shida yote ni president mwenyewe. Yeye ndio alituonesha mambo ya kusema nini? 2022. Sio sisi. Yeye ndio alituambia mambo ya matusi ya kutukana Raila. Ni alilete. Kimundu geke, kimulevi geke, kimuthuri geke, mugoroki uyu, jamani mugetekera. Tutika ko mujibu ka jikeria kura jida kimundu geke. Who brought those statements? If there is somebody to be charged in a court of law for incitement, Kikuyus, between Kikuyus and Luos, Olu should carry the cruise. If he told us to go peacefully, we could have done that. And now, nasikia atu wameenda Mombasa, atu wanaenda kupanga cabinet. Cabinet ushindi ulikuwa ni wa Jubilee. Ni wa Jubilee. Na kama Uhuru amechoka afanye election immediately, let's go also, not for the party, for the presidential seat. Ifanywe saa hii. Hii mambo yote lazima Mungu alinikwishe. Watu wote wanalia. Girogon watu wanalia. Gekomba watu wanalia. Hakuna pahali kungara watu wanalia. No business. Watu ya forest sawmillers they are crying. Watu wetu hapa wote ambaye hawako pahali ya kukaa Rubagon, Molo and other areas they are crying. Hawana maisha. Hakuna serikali imesukuma Mkikuyu na kumweka kwa kona mbaya politically, economically kama hii serikali. And I will say that straight away. And I'm ready to stand anywhere. Mwanza nasema ataenda kotini. Which court is this going? Court iendeshwe na watu ya bangi. Court inaongozwa na watu sober. And we have judges who are sober. And judges they are the ones now wameshikilia nchi. Kwa sababu hata watu wanashikwa na propaganda, wanashikwa na ukora, wanasukumwa huko. Kama ni mtu ya DP unatafutiwa njia, unasukumwa huko. You know that? And we are saying to the people of Rift Valley, we are behind the deputy president. We are behind him because of the work he did. Tangu washikana na wafanye peace. This country has never had it before.
Yeah, we don't.
Yeah? We have been having a peaceful country. Sasa imeleta mzukazuko. And let me tell you, Moi mimi nilikuwa mwanafunzi yake ya siasa. Alituambia kuhakisha moto ni rahisi, lakini kupima is not easy. Wengine wanarukaruka anasikia hapa akirukaruka mabawa akisema ati hatuna deni. You don't talk about deni. Hakuna pesa iliyokopeshaniwa. But we are saying lazima tufanye kazi na structure. Ile Jubilee iliweka. Na ile kazi Ruto amefanya. If it was not Ruto, let me tell you before my God in heaven, Uhuru angekuwa kwa kiti. You will not be there.
Angetoa wapi kiti?
Angetoa wapi kiti? He has no time for campaigning. Ruto is sober campaigning. Sisi mbele ya Mwenyezi Mungu, we are going to stand with the truth and the God is going to stand with us. Tusikuja tukaonekane sisi wa Kikuyu. Na mimi naomba ndugu zangu ambao wako hapa Rift Valley, be calm. Hii shida sio ya president hata yeye mwenyewe. Hii shida ni ya walevi mmoja ama mbili ambao wako na hiyo kasuba, ambao atakaki changes. We know. And we are going to deal with that. And I'm ready myself. And I'm ready to do the structure, tuende, tuchaguane, tuweke ile structure inatakikana. Juu ya hiyo, we are going to start the demonstration. We want election for the president for this country. Kama president ameshindwa kuweka sisi pamoja, we are asking for election. Turudie uchaguzi.